In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the Japanese yen futures as they're moving higher today. Yen futures coming off of a contract closing low yesterday to trade higher today by almost 2% currently, which is a 3-week high for the yen futures on heavy volume. And we're seeing higher price action pretty much across the board in the FX markets today, but the Japanese yen showing the most relative strength in today's price action on the heels of the release of the US CPI data this morning. Big impact or reaction to that release. US CPI data coming in below expectations, both on the headline and the core number. Headline number coming in negative 0.1, core number is 0.1, both below expectations, and that's having a big impact not only on the FX markets, but also treasury markets are rallying strongly. Metals, gold and silver rallying as well. So we're seeing a big reaction to the concept or the idea that rates could be coming down here in the fall based on some of the most recent data, and particularly this morning's CPI data. Now, tomorrow, we'll have PPI data to follow this up, so we'll see if that gives more confidence as far as the inflation front moving forward. And certainly the testimony from the Fed chairman over the last couple of days also had an impact here. But when you look at the general trends now, with the Japanese yen coming off those low levels from yesterday, and really from a longer term perspective, almost 38-year lows yesterday. So even with this higher price action trading up to a 3-week high, we're still at the low end of the range. But other major FX futures markets are moving higher and breaking out today, particularly when you look at the British pound going to 1-year highs and the Australian dollar going to the highest level since early January. So again, some shifting dynamics here, higher price action pretty much across the board in the FX futures markets. Japanese yen showing the most relative strength today, up almost 2% on today's session.